Hi Achievers, welcome to A Plus Russian. Today we are learning how to say we are putting on gloves. Мы надеваем перчатки. Be sure to watch to the end for a bonus tip. Is it cold enough where you live to wear gloves? Let me know in the comments below. When we need to say we are putting on, in Russian we say мы надеваем, where мы is we and надеваем is our putting on. And altogether it's мы надеваем. In Russian we change the form of the verb depending on the subject. Let's spell the word мы, which is Russian for we. The first sound is m and then goes y. And altogether it's мы. Мы. Let's spell the word надеваем. The first sound is n, then goes a, d, e, then we have v, a, e, and m at the end. And all together it's надеваем. Надеваем. Try saying it with me. Надеваем. So far you've learned how to say we are putting on, where we is мы and our putting on is надеваем. Do you remember what is Russian for we? Мы. Excellent. What about our putting on? Надеваем. Well done. And the last new word for today is перчатки. Перчатки. Перчатки is gloves in Russian. Перчатки. Перчатки is used in plural. When we are talking about one glove, we say перчатка. Перчатки is the plural from перчатка. Let's spell the word перчатки. The first sound is p, then goes e, r, ch, then we have a, t, k, and e at the end. And all together it's перчатки. Перчатки. Try saying it with me. Перчатки. Now let's play a memory game. Each word is repeated twice. I'm going to read the words and then cover them up. Try to remember where the words are and say them out loud with me. Are you ready, Achievers? Let's go. Перчатки is gloves. Мы is we. Надеваем is our putting on. Перчатки. Перчатки. Мы. Надеваем. Надеваем. Перчатки. Do you know where the other перчатки is? Excellent. Мы. Do you know where the other мы is? Well done. Надеваем. Надеваем. Well done, Achievers. Now you know how to say we are putting on gloves. Мы надеваем перчатки. Where мы is we, надеваем is our putting on, and перчатки is gloves. And here is your bonus tip. It gets so cold in Siberia, where I grew up, that most people wear mittens instead of gloves. Mittens are варежки in Russian. Варежки. Варежки. When we are talking about one mitten, we say варежка. Варежка is feminine. To learn about feminine adjectives, click on the video above, and I'll see you in another video, Achievers.